We're here at Collegetown Court to take a look at apartment number 504. Before we go in, I wanted to show you the position of the apartment on the hallway. We're next to the elevator, so you come up the elevator from the first floor, and then we'll go into the apartment. We are on the top floor of a 5-floor building here, and let's head on in. So here's the apartment. You can see it's nice and bright. We're going to enter. The kitchen is on our right. Here's the living room space. Let's take a look at that kitchen. Let's get turned around here. So the red door is where we just came in. So the kitchen has that refrigerator, the dishwasher, there's a sink, a stove, a microwave, and you have some assorted cabinets and drawers. There's plenty of storage space in here in your kitchen. Let's take a look at the living room space. I like this nice open living room. You've got plenty of room for your dining table, some assorted chairs and couches and tables. There's a TV that does come with the apartment on the wall. And you can see there's an air conditioner for the living room here over on this left window. Let's go take a look out the window. We're facing to the east, so you get nice bright morning sun from the whole apartment. And we're in central Collegetown, so there's always buildings around us, but we actually do have some nice views, especially over to the south. You can see the valley over that way. And so beautiful views up here, lots of sky, because we're on the top floor. So this apartment is available on floors 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's see the bedrooms. Again, we're on 5, which is the top floor. The other floors are the same layout, the same position on the floor. It's just what you see out the window will be determined by what floor you're on. We're going into bedroom 1. This is the largest of the 3 bedrooms here in this apartment. All of the bedrooms in this unit are slightly different in size. So you do have to decide in your group which bedroom everyone will have. All of the bedroom doors do have their own individual lock. So you can see there's a lot more floor space on this one. We're gonna look in the closet here in this bedroom because it has a slightly different layout. It's got a couple hanging bars on the left and then another one on the right. So we still have some great closet space in here. But again, largest bedroom is room number 1. Okay, let's go to the next bedroom. This bedroom here is room 2. This is the smallest of the rooms. So let's go on in. You can see that we don't have as much floor space as the previous room that we were in, but everything still fits in here nicely. We still have that beautiful east view. This room is across from the bathroom. We'll take a look at that at the end. The furnishings will always be the full-size bed, the dresser, the desk and chair, and the bookshelf. Let's go on in to room 3. This room is the middle room for sizing. So this one has a little more space than the room we were just in, a little less space than that first room. Let's take a look in the closet here. The closets for rooms 2 and 3 are the same. The regular closet. There's the furnishings again. The dresser, the bookshelf, desk and chair, full-size bed, another east view, and a medium amount of floor space for the room. Let's go see the bathroom. The bathroom is the same that we've seen in the other units in the buildings. So you'll see there's the toilet, the sink and vanity, and the shower tub over on the right. So that's a look at Collegetown Court apartment 504. This is a 3-bedroom apartment. There are just 4 of these units in the whole entire building. They are 204, 304, 404, and 504. So the same apartment in the same position, just on one on every floor. Collegetown Court is located at 208 Dryden Road. We're here in central Collegetown, just steps above that main intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road. And we're just 1 block from campus.